Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I just barely got back into town and I got my mail and I had my Ipsy and Sephora play in there, so I thought I would unbox them really fast. I don't have a ton of makeup on. This is more of an everyday look. My makeup is breaking up a little bit more. I don't know if that's because I've changed climates and that's part of it or what, but hopefully I'll get that taken care of soon. But I wanted to open them because I needed a boost today. The Ipsy Glam Bag does have one add-on inside of it. I'm gonna grab really fast because I stuck it in there. And that is this one. This is the SL Miss Glam. I did do 3 add-ons with this August box. I couldn't even think of what the month is. So this is an angled shader brush, and I really love the SL Miss Glam brushes. So I'm really excited to get that. I think it's a really pretty, nice color as well. The other add-on I got that was $3, these were both $3, is this set of 2 sheet masks. Now I know I don't need any sheet masks. If you've been watching my empties or anything, you know I've gone through a ton of them. But these just looked so nice. So they're Rest Recipe by Comely Co. And there is a blueberry and a peach. And I just thought, oh, they sound really nice. So I decided to get those. And then I also added this from Touch and Soul, which I've liked everything I've tried from them. This is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. So it's a nice moisturizer. It looks like a gel moisturizer. The packaging is really cool. It is like that plastic that's oversized, so the actual tub is smaller inside. But it's kind of like a light pink gel cream. It has a light scent to it, not like a perfume scent or anything, but just kind of whatever's in it has a light scent to it. So those are my add-ons. This one was 12, the other 2 were 3. Getting on to the Ipsy bag, it is green this month. For some reason, when I was looking at the spoilers, like not the spoilers, but like when they showed it to you early, I thought it was a black bag, but it is actually more of an army green. You do get your little card with Ipsy, which is nice. It tells you what everything is. We're gonna pull out the first thing in here. This is from Wander Beauty. It is a Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I have a full size of this that I got in another box. I don't know which one it was, but I think I'm gonna try this one instead because this will be nice. If I don't like the other one, I can pass it along or put it in a giveaway. I think that would be a good thing to do. Then the other little tube in here is from IT Cosmetics. This is Confidence in a Gel Lotion. I have not tried this. I do like IT Cosmetics skincare. I've had good luck with them in the past. Then I have 3 boxes in here. This first one is from Suva Beauty or Suva Beauty, I don't know. It is an eyeshadow. It says it's in the shade Turmeric. So this is what it looks like, the little single shadow. It does look like a gorgeous gold shade. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, really gold. Okay, didn't swatch quite as thick as I was thinking it would, but it still looks pretty good. Then we have from Estate, this is the Doomy Baked Highlight Powder. Now the only thing that isn't on this card is it doesn't tell me how much things are worth, which is kind of a bummer because I would like to know how much things are. So that's what it looks like. It looks like a baked highlighter. I think I said it was a baked highlighter. And then we'll swatch it. So you can see the difference between the eyeshadow and the highlight. Oh my goodness, that looks beautiful. Actually, that would make a really nice eyeshadow, even better than I think the Suva Beauty one. And then finally in here, this is from Odyssey New York All Day Lip Cream in Thames Street, like the river in England. And now I have highlight and stuff. I forgot to grab my wipes. It looks like a kind of a chocolatey, nudie shade. We'll swatch it. Okay, so that's it built up, but one swipe, it's going to be, it has a divot in it, so I think it would swatch better on your lips. but that's what it looks like. So it is buildable. I think this is a nice size, like this looks like a full size lipstick, so that's pretty good for $10 a month. I did just get an email a day or so ago that they are upping the price to $12 a month, so we'll see how good of a value it is then, but you do get to choose one product, so I'm kind of excited about that. Now, you might have noticed that I said I had my Sephora bag. I decided to resubscribe to Sephora because they had some things on their spoilers that said this month's bag, and I was like, wow, there's some really nice things. There was a retinol from Sunday Riley. There was a NARS lip pencil. Those were the ones I was hoping to get. So we'll see what's actually in here. You do get your 50 points, which now you have to spend $20 to get those 50 points. And I have honestly shopped so much less at Sephora since they made it that way, which actually kind of saves me money because I stopped getting Play and then stopped using the Play passes. All right, first thing in here is from Laura Mercier. This is the Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. Now, I have a ton of mascaras, so I'm not gonna open this one. We'll look at the packaging though. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of a cool package. And it looks like it's just a traditional brush. I don't have retail value for these either. So the second thing I got in here is from Algenist. It's a sleeping collagen. It is a night cream. It's supposed to be for my skin concern, which I guess I'm technically worried about aging, but not really. I'm more worried about acne and oil, like I need oil control. Next thing came in a little Ziploc baggie. So not only did you get this Ziploc baggie, which no matter what they say is recyclable, I don't know any place that will recycle it. You get two Ziploc baggies. This is Playa Endless Summer Spray, Southern California Sea Salt, Beta Carotene. So it's a sea salt spray. I don't really use those usually, so that's a little different. Then we have, they did say they weren't gonna have a foil packet in this month's bag, which is kind of nice. I do enjoy that. Next is from Biosense, yeah. Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. So this is another moisturizer, which, you know, is not usually what I would be hoping for. Like that retinol I was really hoping for, and I can tell you I did not get it. So that's what it looks like. I'm not gonna open the creams because what's the point in that? Then we have from Glam Glow, this is the Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution. So it's kind of brown, not brown, gray colored. Yeah, interesting toner. That's not a lot of toner, so that's easy enough to go through. And then we have this itty bitty Smashbox. This is the Always On Liquid Lipstick in Stepping Out, which is about half the size of the one that I got in my Ipsy bag last month, which is kind of sad. Oh my goodness, this is super brown. Yeah, I don't think, I'm kind of glad that it's small now because I'm not going to be wearing a chocolatey, like that brown of a liquid lipstick. I'll try it, but it's probably just going to be, see if anybody I know doesn't care that I tried it and then pass it along. Those were my boxes. I'm going to keep Sephora Play for next month because one of the things that they're teasing is the fresh strawberry cleanser, and I would really like to try that, but other than that, I think I'm going to be canceling Sephora again. I was tempted and I shouldn't have been, but let me know your thoughts down below. Also let me know what your thoughts are on Ipsy and the new Ultimate bag that they're coming out with and the increase in the price. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it so much, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.